Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any future videos. Like this video, I promise you are going to learn some valuable content in this video. So the least that you can do for me is to like the video. If you are looking for other stuff, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. The broker that I use, the link is in the description box as well. One of the best brokers in the world, award winning, and for just $5, you can start trading a real life trading account, which you can use to test your systems, your robots, strategies, everything without putting too much of your capital on the line. I know people love to trade a demo, but for me, demo doesn't teach you the psychology part of trading, where you have to handle emotions when you are losing real money or when you are winning. So go ahead and sign up with them. $5, and if you can split that $5, then obviously you have something good on your hands, and you can add more capital to your account. If you lose that $5, well, you can always add another $5, and you start all over again. Okay, so let's get on with our video. The common question that I've seen on the previous videos of the robots that I've shown you has to do with Martingale. Again, as a word of caution, I personally believe that Martingale is the easiest way for you to lose money in trading. I think I only tried it once or twice in my entire 5 years of trading. And in those two instances, I did not like it. But it seems to be a popular approach to trading. So many people do martingale. So regardless of my opinion, I'll show you how you can actually add it to your Forex robot. For people who do not know what Martingale is, unfortunately I don't have a chart open, so maybe I can use this button and this one. Let's say, for example, you are trading support and resistance. This will be your resistance and this will be your support. It's just an example. I hope you get the picture. What you probably want to do is you're probably going to buy low or obviously sell high, but you probably are going to buy low. But let's say you're bought here with, let's say, lot size 0.01, and you bought and you put your stop loss and you are hoping that price will continue, and it didn't. Instead, your stop loss got hit. The next trade that you are going to take, you are going to multiply that by 2 or whatever ratio you are going to use, but usually you are going to multiply that losing trade by 2. That's the next trade that you are going to take. Maybe it's a sell or maybe it's another buy, but instead of 0.01 that you lost, you are going to use 0.02 so that you try to recover what you lost with that original trade. That's basically what you're going to do. And if you lose that trade again, you are going to multiply it again by 2 so that you recover the 2 trades that you lost. If things go your way, obviously at least you can recover the losses that you made. So that's basically how Martingale works. In a perfect world, it's a good way to cover any losses that you would have incurred. But most of the time, you find that it's a quick way to dig a big hole into your account, because you might end up continually multiplying your losses if things are not going your way. So that's why I stay away from Martingale. But anyway, many people want to use Martingale. So how do you do it? Let's say on Fxdreema, if you're creating a robot. It's the good news for you is it actually comes, the functionality of it comes in already loaded on Fxdreema. So this is a previous robot that we did. You can watch that video after finishing watching this one. So this is a previous Bollinger Bands EA that we did. Now the functionality already comes default with these sell and buy blocks. So if you just double click and go in there, so this is what we have with our buy blocks. This is the functions that we have with our sell block. Sorry, I clicked on the sell block. So you can see here we are using fixed volume. That's what I usually show you. That's what I usually use. But let's say you want to go Martingale. If you actually go here where money management, where it says fixed volume, next there is a drop down arrow there. If you go in there and just click on that, you find that there is a whole lot of options that you can use instead of just a fixed volume. You can use a whole lot of options here, including Martingale. Martingale. There is a whole lot of other options that you can also use here. So we're just going to click on Martingale there. Now you have the option of using Martingale on running trades, then history trades, or to apply Martingale on running trades only. So I think the history trades will be the previously closed trades, whether the ones that you lost or the ones that you were winning, or you can run it on only those history trades that hit stop loss. Then you can run your Martingale on those ones. Of course, the new trades that are going to be running Martingale style are going to be based on the trades that closed, that hit stop loss. Or you can run the Martingale on the open trades that are running, the ones that are just running, not the ones that were previously closed. So you can play along with these settings and see what works for you. So let's just say running trades for now is just a random example. Like I told you, I don't do Martingale, but people requested for it, so I'm just showing you the functionality. So here you have an initial volume. So you probably have 0.10 as your standard trading lot size. Of course, these blocks you can trick them so that you can just change the options in MetaTrader 4 without coming back to MetaTrader to Fxdreema. So you can go ahead and click on that if you want. If you don't want, if it's not a hassle to come back to Fxdreema, then don't do that. Then so here you state your standard lot size. Then on a loss, let's say we entered a buy on 0.10 and then we lost that trade. How much are we going to multiply it by? Obviously by 2. So the next trade is now going to be 0.2. That's Martingale. If we lose that trade 0.2, we are going to multiply it again by 2. So it's going to be the next trade is going to be 0.4. It then goes on like that. Or you can actually multiply on profit. You can actually change the number, or here is set at 1. Let's say maybe you are feeling good and things are going your way. You can actually still do Martingale on winning trades as well. So initially with 0.1, we just multiply the next trade by 1, and it's again another 0.1. So see how it works for you. Here you probably want to reset it after how many losses or after how many profits. You can always click on the when you hover your mouse on the title, you see it changes color there. You can actually just click on it and it give you some idea of what it means. So this is after how many losses do you want to start over with the initial lot size. So after doing Martingale for some time and you find that you are still losing, by how many times losses do you want to go back to using 0.01? So just click on the title there. You just hover on it and you click on it if you are not understanding anything. That's how easy it is to use with FX Dreamer. So yeah, this is the functionality for Martingale. If you in any way want to use Martingale with your robots, again, like I said, I don't trust Martingale. For me, it's an easy way to lose money, but more people want to use Martingale. So I hope this helps you. Certainly, the functionality is built in Fxdreema. It's already there. Me, I usually just go fixed volume, so you can simply go to Martingale. Otherwise, guys, if you have any more questions regarding using Fxdreema, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer your questions. Guys, subscribe, like the video. I'll see you in the next videos. Bye.
My evolution, a place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in